Guys, welcome back. This is another video. This is aircraft carriers, planes, and helicopters category. First, ship. That category over there was battleships and destroy. This is aircraft carriers, planes, and helicopters. Let's do this. This is an aircraft carrier. Oh my god, why can I say anything? Europa class aircraft carrier. There's nothing on it, but I like these things on the sides, which they look cool. Railing just in case you be like this. Oof. That's inside is gonna be for later. And like it's a flat thing. It's flat. Oh, hello creeper. Get out of here, bruh. What? He didn't die. Oh my god, this is cool. I like it. Starting to like it already. If this turns out like the Bismarck, I swear, I'm gonna be so mad. Even though awesome! I love this. This aircraft carrier is better than that stupid Bismarck. Oh yeah, we got lucky on the first ship. The first build that I'm showing you on the second category. Dang, bruh. Thought we were gonna have bad luck. This one's gonna be for another video, which I might split up into 2 parts. Comment down below if you want it to be split up into 2 parts. You see inside, like the bottom here? Yeah. Don't see anything interesting. All I see is a lot of skeletons and spiders, yeah. Yeah. There's water right here. That looks epic. Epic. This is epic. I love it. Hold up. There's something on top. I'm just gonna go over here to the next ship.